Hey guys, today I'm just gonna be making a quick guitar trap beat. Just get started. All right, I'm just gonna go grab my scale device. I'm gonna be working with C minor. Now that I got this basic melody, I'm gonna add some flavor to it, just to give it some sort of character. So I'm just gonna grab a MIDI device. I like to use the velocity device here to add like variations and in terms of velocity, so it sounds a little bit more natural and less stiff. So I'm just gonna adjust the random so it selects velocities at random, and then I'm just going to adjust this here. Now I want to add some more effects. I'm gonna grab a guitar rig. Just grab a guitar amp and see what kind of presets fit. I like this one. Sounds pretty cool so far. I'm gonna add a little bit of panning to it. Some more reverb. And a little chorus. And of course, add a little RC20. I'm just going to adjust the magnitude so it's not too much. Sounds really good so far. I'm just gonna cut off some of the low end. 200 hertz. Sometimes I like to just resample it. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just consolidate this and add some halftime to the sample. Cut some of the low end again. Might save this portion for the verse. I'm gonna tweak it a little bit, but I'm gonna come back to it a little bit. But I already got my drums already laid out already, so basically my sound selection for my drums. So I'm gonna zoom in. I got a 808 here and a kick here and a clap. So I'm gonna just start moving these things over here. I'm gonna just drop my snare there. Speed it up just a little bit. Got a little rim, add a little bounce. Add a little hi-hat, some color. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. Now I'm gonna copy the same scale device I used for the guitar, and I'm gonna just lay a pattern down for the 808. So I'm gonna solo these two. Sounds a little off key. Check this out real quick. Give me a second. little compression, a little side chain on the 808. Try a different kick. That's pretty solid. I'm going to use that for the hook. Drop the 808s out. Use this for the hook. Add a little crash there. Cymbal. I'm going to try. And I may use this for the verse. I'm gonna look for a quick rise real quick. I can't find anything. Just gonna reverse this. Use that instead. I'll figure out the rise later. I'll turn the reverse off. Yeah, try that. I'm gonna raise the pitch up on this clip and see what happens. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty nice and simple, straight to the point. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any other suggestions for tutorials, just hit me up. Thanks.